Hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Anna Kilroy. Hey guys, look what I got here. I got my third pair of work shoes for free. Yes, they are absolutely 100% free. But of course, before I will do my unboxing video and review, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. So please stay and watch my unboxing video till the end. And now let's do the unboxing begin. I have my scissor here, of course, my all-time favorite scissor. Yes, you can see my scissor for all my unboxing video. So let's start and begin the unboxing video of my third pair of work shoes from Amazon. And you have to wait and see what brand that I pick. Are they Nike, New Balance, Caterpillar, Skechers? Might be Skechers. But you have to wait, of course, my unboxing video. So you can see the box is some kind of dirty because the time they delivered my shoes was raining. Now, let me surprise you with this new Skechers. Yay! See, they are free. But do you have an idea what color that I picked? So I have to set aside this empty box so that we can start to reveal the design of my new work shoes. And the color is blue. So I got my size. My size is 7 inches, but I add half inch because I want to feel more comfortable. And then the unboxing is definitely still doing here. Now I'm ready to reveal and show you my new work shoes. And here they are. Yes, I picked blue. Wow. Look guys. See? So very nice color. Of course, they sent me brand new. Look inside. Slip resistant Skechers. Air cooled memory foam. Wow, I love them. Composite safety toe. Skechers memory foam. Yes, absolutely. They are brand new. New stock. Of course, Amazon will never give me a cheap and used shoes. But you know what? I ordered my free shoes from Zappos. They're partnered by Amazon. And I'll set aside this empty box of my shoes so that you will definitely 100% can see the pretty heavy duty and nice color of my comfortable shoes that I can use, of course, in my workplace. Did I pick the nice color? I guess yes. And now my favorite part is trying them. So please stay. And now let me remove the top first before I'm gonna do my wearing time. Introducing my work safety shoes. They are 7.5. I am 7 inches and I add half inch. That makes me more comfortable. They are lightweight, very soft. So lightweight means they are not heavy. I can work safe, very safe. They are composite toe. And yes, not only that, they are in great color. So now I feel more safe, like in the past years of working. I love them. So I am recommending to all the women who want to buy their work shoes, you can buy like this. So like what I said, they are comfortable, they are lightweight, very soft, and just don't forget to add half inch if you wanna order the same as my shoes. So I got them for free as an Amazon worker. Every year they will give us a $110 credit to order work shoes. So guys, here are my work shoes that I purchased from Zappos, courtesy of Amazon. Yes, they are free. And I can tell that they are comfortable. My size is 7 inches, but I add half inch, which makes me more comfortable and feel more safe. So I will recommend them. You better get yours like this mine, but they are in different colors. You can pick pink, orange, green, and blue, but I pick blue. Yay! I save money. Imagine that, $110. I don't need to spend from my own pocket to buy my own safety shoes. And I love them. The color, they are comfortable, and I will feel definitely more safe. You can buy yours, but if you are an Amazon worker, you don't need to spend your own money. Here they are. I got them for free. And that's it for now. Hope you like my video. Till next time. Bye.